Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Robux with the Paysafecard guys. It's actually really easy and simple. First, let's head to the page where you can buy Robux. So when you're in your Roblox home screen, just click here on Robux and just click on buy Robux. Okay guys, really that easy and simple. You can choose from the two options right here. You can either buy a Robux like normally, a one-time payment, or you can subscribe and you're gonna get a little bit extra Robux. But in my case, I am just going to buy this and $10 one, 800 Robux. And now here, guys, here, it's very important now, okay? Paysafecard is a credit card, first of all, and second of all, it is a MasterCard. So this is the MasterCard logo right here, you can see, and this is credit card. So this is what you want to click on. You want to click on credit card, otherwise this is not gonna work. Click on credit card, and then it's going to redirect you to this page where you can enter your payment details, guys, for your 800 Robux or whatever amount you chose. Now here, you need to put in your card number, which is in your on your card, and then the expiration date. You need to put that in. And once you do that, usually when you put in your card number, it's going to automatically detect it as a MasterCard. That's how you know it is working, guys. And this is the most important one, the security code. At the back of your card, you're going to see three numbers. This is the most important. This is security code CVV2. This is the most important part, guys. You need to get this right. It's at the back of your card. Once you do that, you fill that in and you just click continue, guys, and your transaction is going to go through. It's actually really that easy and simple, guys. If the video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course subscribe. We have a lot more Roblox videos coming up, so make sure you subscribe for that. This video helps, make sure you subscribe.